There is nothing like transitioning from the summer to the fall with some great eats on the grill. Lifestyle expert Rance Adams knows all about that. He's joining us from his patio with a whole lot of delicious food and some savings too, right, Rance?
Yes, sir. Thanks for having me, Matt. Now, no one has ever accused me of being the sharpest knife in the drawer, but Save-A-Lot has done a lot to up my cool factor by offering me the opportunity to shop smarter, not harder, by making it easy, a one-stop shop for high-quality goods at affordable prices.
You've got an amazing display behind you. Walk me through some of what you're serving up here.
Oh my gosh, dude. When it comes to the barbecue grill experience, you can't get any better than what Save-A-Lot offers because everybody's trying to get those last minute holiday, summer fix, maybe getting ready for some tailgating. So I've got some T-bone steaks. Now, Save-A-Lot offers a bunch of different options from T-bones to ribeyes, chuck eye, pork, chicken. They've got it all covered, but I got a couple of ribeye or T-bones here for you. And I'll hit you two styles. So one, I've created a chimichurri sauce that you can ladle on top of it, put a little brush, and it's real easy to make. You get a little oregano, Madeiras olive oil, extra virgin, and you can get fresh garlic. Mix that all together, throw that together with a little salad. Now I'm going to hit you with a little sweet, with a little tang twist. So I've got a citrus-based T-bone over here. It's citrus-based with a little bit of soy. I put that together with a little bit of cumin and threw that in with some of the Tipton Grove orange juice. Let that marinate for an hour. Oh, it's just popping off the plate for sure.
It's like you're describing our Great Day viewers. A little sweet, a little saucy. I love it.
Oh, well, then if you want the full boat, let's go surf and turf. I made some honey shrimp kebabs, all right? So I threw a little bit of some salt, pepper, a little bit of a honey base, and a Markham rub on there that's giving it some extra pop. I threw that on the grill for a little bit, got them nice and pink. Oh, super savory.
And snacks and apps before we let you go? You got any ideas there?
Oh, for snacks and apps, you got to have your tortilla chips for your tortilla and salsa. Senora Verde tortilla chips and salsa, great combination. You want to finish it off with a little bit of the World's Fair Junior Pops to get that sweet, to touch off the end of the meal. But something else you got to consider, going back to the grilling, is you have 1,800 different products, whether it's sauces from Markham rubs. You can get Kirk's products that include dips, sausage, your basics like ketchup and mustard, and it's a little DIY condiment bar that your whole family will love.
I love it. Rance, you can't see it, but I'm wiping the slobber right now. I'm wiping it. Thanks so much, man. Stay safe that's just mean. That's mean, Rance. Thank you so much. For more information on the 33 Save-A-Lot store locations in and around St. Louis, along with their products and some great recipes, just visit savealot.com.